Hello, today I'm going to demonstrate a new tool we've just published. It's a StockTwits social network tool. Now, StockTwits is a company, or Twit, sorry, it's a company that allows investors and traders to post their ideas or their predictions of where the market's going. And they have a web-based version that you can go to their website and actually use, and it's very good. What we've done is we've, again, packaged it up into a small cTrader add-on cbot. You can launch from the cTrader platform. There are a lot of benefits in using this tool over a web-based version because it uses up a lot less real estate. You can see the feeds as they come in. You can select the symbol you want, and it's always on the chart. Now, to find out where the product is, you just go under cTrader software here. You go under financial widgets, and you'll find it in here. There it is. Now you can download it here just by adding to cart. It's free of charge. Once it's downloaded, if you just look through this page also, that gives you a bit more information. And the video we're just recording at the bottom. Once you've downloaded the product, you just come into cTrader. So we only run this tool will only work on the cTrader platform. This is assuming you've double-clicked on the file and stored it into the platform. All you need to do now is launch the cbot so you can see it. So you click on the little man there with the little antennae, and you type in part of the name. In this case, it's stock widget. So I have to put StockTwits, and it comes up. And then I just click the play button. Okay, get a welcome screen, and then you get the tool come up on the screen there. Now, this tool, like I said, you can drag it anywhere on. If you've got multiple monitors, you can put it anywhere where you can see what's going on, and you can open up more than one as well. So the whole idea behind this is Euro USD. I can add another one to the chart, onto the same chart. Oops, I just stopped that one. I want to start it again. I'll just start that one, and I'll start another one. Okay, I've now got two. Now the other one I want GBP USD, so I just change the name. I click on symbol, and this one needs refreshing because I've just changed it recently, so don't worry about that. Okay, so now you've got two of these tools being shown on the screen, one for each currency symbol, and it'll allow you now to actually see the posts that are coming in from the investors and traders out there on what they feel is going to happen in the market with these two symbols. So if you've got a big monitor set up, you can have many of these on the screen at the same time looking at different types of currency pairs or anything really. You can type in gold or anything. So if I typed in gold in here, it will come back with, oops, I got to click on symbol. It will come back with gold. That'll be the same as XAU USD. It's the same thing. So it'll pretty much cover most symbols, but if you put a symbol in that doesn't exist, like this, it'll come up with an error on the screen. Just right click on the screen and choose back, and it will go back. Also, the links don't work. So if you click on there, the links won't work. Sorry about that. If for some reason it won't work on this. But you can also follow a user. So say, for example, I want to follow Farshid at the top. So it's got an underscore A on it. I'll pick something a bit easier. Lax in there. So if I want to follow a user, so say you found a user and his predictions or her predictions are very accurate and you want to follow that, you can actually do this by just typing in the username, clicking on the user tab, and it will come up with their feed. So you can look at exactly what they're doing. Now these tools get refreshed every 60 seconds, so it doesn't pull it in. You have to pull the data in. It's one of the limitations because we're giving this away for free, so you've got a little bit of limitations there. So what I wanted to show you now is if you've got it on the same chart, you cannot change the symbol because it's launched from the same chart. So you'd have to open up, use another chart. So now I'm looking at GBP USD, and you can see some of the things people are saying. Blue boxes have 85% chance to produce a bounce. Blue boxes are on our charts are high frequency. The instrument can drop into the extreme area, which comes in at 1.267. So the whole idea is you read through these feeds, and you get a consensus from a bunch of traders of what they feel this instrument's going to do. So it's a bit like instead of just sat at home on your own trading, and you've got nobody else to bounce ideas off or say, hey, what do you think is going to happen to this instrument? You can now join the social network group here, and you can actually listen to what other people are saying, what other traders are saying, what they feel is going to happen with the instrument. So it's like being in a big room with hundreds of traders, and they're all giving you advice on what you should do. Obviously, you shouldn't take everybody's advice. You should obviously listen to yourself, and these are the herd. But at the same time, it really helps for you to, especially if you're a beginner, to have some kind of somebody else to say what's going on with this instrument. It really helps. So this tool is free. You can download it from our website. It's pretty straightforward to use. It's only for the cTrader trading platform. I'll just go to the product page again. You'll find it under here, under trading software, financial widgets, and we've also got a bunch of widgets for the trading view as well. So you can download any of these free of charge and use them. All right, thank you very much. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up at the bottom.